Hi, my name is Kelvin Reed with Your Home Sold Guarantee Realty, Reed's Real Estate. And as you may or may not know, I am an untraditional team leader constantly finding myself in need of competent real estate agents to help me with my growing real estate business. Over the last 17 years, I've sold hundreds of homes and as a result, been able to develop and implement many unique consumer programs that allow me to generate a steady stream of prospects as well as appointments. This is where you come in. My real estate home selling team system can put you in a very favorable position of working with these highly motivated buyer and seller prospects that we generate. You can increase your appointments and sales literally overnight. You see, most of the buyer and seller prospects that call us day to day need a real estate agent to work with. That's right, all of the buyer and seller prospects call us. We do absolutely no cold calling. Through our unique reverse prospecting system and direct response lead generators, we generate hundreds of ready-to-act buyer and seller leads each month. So I'm offering to give you the opportunity to work with these buyers and sellers in return for joining my team. The sales partners on my team make more money and work less hours than a traditional real estate agent, simply because there are no expenses and they receive a steady stream of qualified buyer and seller prospects and appointments. They don't have to spend any money on marketing or advertising. You'll get the prospects. Go on the appointments using proven systems, dialogues, presentations, and absolutely turn these appointments into signed buyer and seller agreements. These are the same proven systems, presentations, and materials that have allowed me over the past 17 years to sell hundreds of homes and make millions of dollars in real estate commissions. So if you're interested in increasing your business, making and keeping more money, working reasonable hours, along with creating a mutually beneficial relationship, please email your resume to contact@reedsrealestate.net. In fact, I am so confident that you will benefit from our unique home selling system that I guarantee you in writing that you will make at least $100,000 more over the next 12 months than you made in the previous 12 months. That's right, you will make an additional $100,000, and if not, I will pay you the difference. So again, please email your resume to contact@reedsrealestate.net and we'll contact you to answer any of your questions and arrange for a one-on-one consultation. Thanks for watching.